In this video, I'm going to show you how to find YouTube TV free trial offers. If you're looking to test the service before committing, this guide will help you locate the best deals. Let's get started. To find YouTube TV free trial offers, start by visiting the official YouTube TV website or checking their promotions page for any active trials, typically lasting 7 days. You can also search online for YouTube TV free trial offers to discover limited-time deals or partner promotions. Keep an eye out for special codes or links from trusted retailers, gift card bundles, or even third-party websites that sometimes provide extended trials. Additionally, check your email inbox for marketing campaigns from YouTube or Google, as they occasionally send exclusive offers to select users. If this video helped you learn how to find YouTube TV free trial offers, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.